Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the crazy world with the crazy Shetty. In today's video, what we're going to do is my go-to makeup look. So this is what I am doing, especially when I have to get ready for a long day. जैसे अभी हम लोग we are in Goa right now. Since I came here to Goa in the last month, I have been doing this makeup look क्योंकि दिन में as you can see बहुत ज़्यादा धूप होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होता है. Evenings is better, it's pleasant. But yeah, that is what the climate looks like. So अगर आपको इतना अगर makeup कर रहे हो and if you want to get good pictures clicked and all of that, you need to do some makeup. And with some makeup, what happens is it's normal that you will start sweating and your makeup will come down. But the makeup that I am doing for especially getting good pictures clicked and going out, उसमें एक चीज़ ये है कि even if I'm sweating, the makeup doesn't like start sweating down. ऐसा नहीं होता, it doesn't start running down your face. So that is the makeup look that I'm going to share with you all. So yeah, let's get into it. And this is like a proper full-fledged complete makeup using like all the products that I'm sharing. All the products are affordable. I do not use any high-end products as of now. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. But I don't know अगर ये lighting ठीक है कि नहीं, because I have a dressing mirror है यहाँ पे एक, and I have a surface जहाँ पे I've kept all of my products here. So it is easier for me to access the products also and to look at myself in the mirror. I also have like a small mirror handy with me here. So hi, say hi. So I also have this mirror here in case if I want like a close-up look and I want to like see myself a little closer. I have this hand mirror with me. So yeah, before you start your makeup, it is very important that you do your skincare very very religiously, and काफ़ी time लेके you have to do your skincare. So I have done that and I've kept my face एकदम bare. I'll show you my complete look once I'm ready. I might not be wearing this inners here. अभी मैंने सिर्फ ऐसे ही comfortable रहने के लिए पहना हुआ है. तो yeah, I'm gonna wear a denim jacket over it and keep it sleeveless as is. So yeah, let's get straight. I've just kept my neck be bare. I've not worn any jewelry of any sorts. So yeah, let's get straight into it. I'll just give you a closer look of how my skin looks like. So yeah, this is what my skin looks like from one side. This is my left cheek, this is my right cheek. The right cheek is much smoother than the left one. यहाँ पे I have some of my उंगली किया हुआ acne, तो pimples है यहाँ पे. तो yeah, that's what my skin looks like. Forehead पे I have this one, नया है, painful है. And yeah, this is basically how my skin looks like, and with the process you will know what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. Okay, so I've done my skincare and I've done my sunscreen also. I've applied sunscreen as well. I'm taking this NY Bay primer. This is from Purple, and what I do is I take very little of the primer यहाँ पे हाथ में, बस इतना सा, and rub it between your two fingers and put it on the places where tend to get oily. Usually it is the T-zone and around the mouth area. I'm just massage it nicely. Don't go all over your face, because what this tends to do is it will cover all of your pores and give it a matte look all over. तो इससे क्या होता है कि यहाँ का जो एरिया में जो भी क्या बोलते हैं अनइवननेस है उसको ये इवन कर लेता है. सो अगर आप पूरे फेस पे डालोगे ना, और फेस का जो ग्लो है वो पूरा अंदर दब जाएगा. एंड बेसिकली क्या करता है कि स्वेट नहीं करेगा ये वाला जो आपका यूजुअल जो स्वेटिंग वाले एरिया होते हैं जहाँ पे ओपन पोर्स होता है. So it will give you like a matte finish and an even surface to do your makeup on. ठीक है? After doing a primer, wait for some time and then go ahead with adding products. Let it settle inside. So that is what we are going to do. We'll wait. Meanwhile, what I'll do is I'll take my concealer. This is LA Girl Pro Conceal. HD high definition concealer, and this is orange color corrector. So what I'll do is I'll go over all of my marks and basically try to color correct all of the marks. जैसे I'll show you one. So can you see this? यहाँ का जो था ये it is already hidden. ठीक है, तो I'll roughly put it all over my face. This इसमें ऐसा कुछ है इसका एप्लीकेटर, and इसमें से you have to press and get the product out, and with the help of this brush you have to put it into your skin. Don't put too much, ठीक है, एक ही जगह पे don't put too much. Usually why I consider doing a full face of makeup is during my trips, because obviously when you are at home in your comfort zone, एक तो work from home भी चलता है, so even if you want to like get good pictures clicked, you know that there is nowhere to go, तो full face of makeup करने का वैसे ही मतलब नहीं बनता. But when you are going out, you are carrying good clothes, तो अच्छा काम में आता है, you know, and your face looks good, you look confident. I feel confident after wearing makeup. I just love myself after wearing makeup. If in case you do not have too many spots or too many क्या बोलते हैं pigmentation or something like that, you can completely skip this step. I have a very beautiful beauty spot here. And I'm putting some around my mouth area because यहाँ पे थोड़ा darkness है, pigmentation ज़्यादा है. You look like a बाल हनुमान, but that's completely okay. ठीक है, I have not put too much also. बहुत ही पतला लेयर लगाया है मैंने इसका. Also today's जो आज का जो मेकअप लुक है, I'm going to be doing in only 3 brushes and a sponge. So you'll know how I'm doing it. Only 3 brushes, ठीक है. मेरे पास वैसे है इसके अंदर हज़ारों ब्रश है, जिसमें से एक गिर गया अभी, but that is like my talent. Okay, so this is the brush from Cuffs and Lashes F019. ये है ये brush, and what I'm going to do is just pat the concealer with the brush and like blend it really nicely with the brush. So there will be no harsh lines, and जो product है वो भी अच्छे से अंदर चला जाएगा. Okay, I think I should come a little bit more closer. ठीक है, I think this much is fine. Can you see my skin up close? I'll show you how I blend it. Just take the brush and go like this. Just dab it, don't drag it. सारा प्रोडक्ट निकल जाएगा और फेस पे कुछ नहीं रहेगा और फेस खराब होगा वो अलग. Can you see all my scars? एकदम क्लोज आके दिखा रही हूँ मैं, so that you can see it very clearly. Thank you. कितना साफ कर दिया बेबी ने ब्रश स्पंज. ओके, सो नाउ दिस वन जो एक जो स्कार है ना, ये एकदम थोड़ा सा दिख रहा है ये वाला, एंड दिस वन, तो वेरी लाइटली आई एड अ लिटिल बिट मोर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. तो इसमें है लिया, एंड नाउ कैन यू सी, लगा दिया, यहाँ पे लगा दिया एंड यहाँ पे लगा दिया. ओके, आफ्टर डूइंग माई ऑरेंज कलर करेक्टर, जो इतना ऑरेंज दिख नहीं रहा है बट काफ़ी ऑरेंज लग रहा है मेरा फेस, एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो गिवन सम टाइम टू सेटल डाउन. आई एम एडिंग कंसीलर. आई एम यूजिंग स्विस ब्यूटी का लिक्विड कंसीलर इन द शेड 06 सैंड मोइन ही है ना इसका नाम, शेड नंबर 06 है, इतना पता है मुझे. एंड आई गो ऐसे ही, I go random so that you know all of my pigmentation gets covered. I use a mix of Maybelline Fit Me. I use a mix of Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 35 Deep and Swiss Beauty. तो अभी जहाँ जहाँ किया था ना spots, वहाँ I'll cover it up. I use a mix of both. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा Swiss Beauty डाल दिया. Now I'll use some of Maybelline. I go again with the same brush from Cuffs and Lashes F019, and what I'm gonna do is blend it with the brush. So just push the product into your skin. That is all that you have to do. Can you see? So far it looks very nice and even. Under the eye also I go with the same brush. I'm just dragging the rest of the concealer here, थोड़ा सा neck के पास. That's it. Okay, so after this step, skin looks like quite better. You can leave your skin like this if you want to. If you are doing like an everyday go-to kind of a thing, then you can leave it here. What I like to do here is to make it like a long-lasting makeup. I spray some fixing spray, which is I spray some setting spray. This is by NYX. This is by NYX. It's their matte finish setting spray. I like to go in with this product and just blend in if anything is left. Now under your eyes, you know, यहाँ पे हल्का सा creasing हो सकता है. So what you're gonna do is look up. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is take a sponge and make sure that there is no excess water. ये अनुज ने clean करके लाया है. See how much water is there. Don't give me looks. So you have to squeeze out anything which is excess. Clean your hands and then go under your eyes and बहुत ही हल्के हाथ से. Oh God, the amount of faces that we make while doing makeup. Okay, go under your eyes, remove anything which is there excess जो भी है निकाल दो, उठा लो. You can also use like a setting powder. What I'm using is Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 30 Toffee. इसमें ना यहाँ पे नीचे you get a sponge and also a mirror, and you also get a mirror in this. So yeah, so I'm gonna use this compact to like set my under eyes. हल्का सा उसको सेट कर देंगे, बस हल्का सा, एकदम नाम के लिए. जस्ट फॉर लीव इट फॉर सम टाइम. आई एम जस्ट लीविंग इट फॉर सम टाइम ताकि थोड़ा सा सेट हो जाए बस. नाउ व्हाट वी गोना डू इज आई हैव टू ऑफ माई फेवरेट फाउंडेशंस विच आई लव मिक्सिंग. वन इज दिस. ये जो है ये है के ब्यूटी का फाउंडेशन जो मेरे से एक बार टूट गया था. सो आई हैव स्टोर्ड द फाउंडेशन इन दिस क्योंकि ये बॉडी शॉप का बॉडी योगर्ट का डब्बा है एंड इट इज़ अच्छे से एकदम एयर टाइट रहता है ये प्रोडक्ट. तो इसलिए आई हैव केप्ट इट. आई डिड नॉट फील लाइक throwing the rest of the foundation away. So this I'll take some foundation here at the back. Then I'm gonna take our all-time trusted foundation, that is Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 332 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's the shade 332 golden caramel. I'll mix ये 2 drops, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा बस. And this is like my go-to foundation if I want to do something. So this is what I really love using. I mix both of it here यहीं पे. तो इससे क्या होता है, प्रोडक्ट अच्छे से मेल्ट हो जाता है एक दूसरे के साथ. They get combined also really well, and this also acts like your palette. Make sure that your hands are clean. And what I like to do is I like to dot the foundation on my skin I don't like doing too much foundation on my forehead. And don't forget your neck area. All that is remaining goes to your neck. Okay. Okay, now what I like doing is I take my finger and I start blending my foundation. Just so that I know that my entire face is covered and if I need extra or not. So this is a stage where I'll know if I need anything more. Don't worry about blending it really well. Just make sure that अच्छे से blend हो गया है and you know your face is हल्का सा roughly covered. अभी यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा harsh lines वगैरह होंगे, but yeah, don't worry, we'll cover it all up. Okay, so now my face looks like, you know, I've put my face in mud, but yeah, we'll finish it. Okay, now what I like doing is I again go with the same brush, Cuffs and Lashes F019, and just blend it all in so that there is no harsh lines. And go थोड़ा सा softer hand से जाना. Okay, so can you see my face very clearly, very closely? काफ़ी अच्छे से सारे products blend हो चुके हैं and there are no harsh lines whatsoever. Yeah. I can't see any harsh lines, so our product has blended really well and all that is there on the neck you can just blend it. Anyways, यहाँ पे jewelry या फिर जो भी आप पहन रहे हो तो उससे वो cover हो ही जाता है. Now what I do next is I again go in with the NYX setting spray which is in the matte finish and अच्छे से I go in with this and I like to take my sponge, इसका जो नीचे वाला section है उससे with very light hands I like to take in all the excess and जो भी चीज़ has to stick onto the face, it sticks, gets blended really well. I'm in love with this look. तो अभी जो मेरा base है, it has come on really well. Don't forget your ears. Can you see up close? एकदम काफ़ी अच्छा लुक आया है. Everything looks very even and no harsh lines, no patchiness, no cakiness anywhere. I've cleaned my eyebrows to pick up any excess product. And yeah, with that we complete our base. Our foundation has set on really well. Now इसके ऊपर आप आराम से आपको जो ऐड करना है you can add it really well. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some compact. Okay, and just go light-handed से cover your face so that you know थोड़ा सा long lasting हो जाएगा. अभी what I'm gonna do is contour my face. I'm using this contour stick from K by Katrina in the shade Coco Focus. This is what the contour looks like and I've used quite a bit. And इसको sharpener आता है इसके साथ. So I'm gonna contour my face like this. Mirror image यहाँ पे and then यहाँ पे. I do like doing my nose, so I take it like this. हो गया, एंड यहाँ पे एंड देन हियर एंड देन हियर, या so that's that. And उसके बाद I again go in with my same Cuffs and Lashes का F019 and blend it downwards. बहुत ही हल्के हाथ से you need to blend it और अच्छे से blend हो जाता है. It's very blendable and buildable both. It gives a very chiseled kind of a finish. This is what your hand motion should look like. I like that depth. And then same going downwards and आगे पीछे आगे पीछे. उसको ऐसे बाहर की तरफ towards your hairline you need to blend. And then here some. Like this chiseled kind of a look here. Okay, and last step is to add back the color. So first we added contour. Now I'm going in with the Sugar Contour De Force palette in the shade 02 Vivid Victory, and I like taking the second brush, and this is the brush which looks like this. This is from Wet n Wild, and I like so this is what the shades look like here. So you have a blush, highlighter and a bronzer. I do not like using this bronzer much, so but चलो ठीक है, अभी अगर है ही तो okay. I like going in with this blush like this, so I just dab it here and tap off the excess, and so I like to do it here and here like this. Can you see that sun-kissed glow? I don't like going in with like too much of blush as well. So can you see this? I really like this much color added back. So yeah, this is what my face looks like. Okay, time for going in with the third brush, which is where are you, my brush? Where are you? I found you. My third brush is from Cuffs and Lashes X Shy Styles in the shade CS09. So I like going in with my highlighter. Where is my highlighter, baby? Baby highlighter. Oh yeah, I found you. You can use the same highlighter from this palette, the center one, but I like using the Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter. I like this, so this is what I do. I take इसमें थोड़ा सा and tap off excess, and can you see that? Okay. Here, some here, defining your arc, eyebrow arc. I like how, can you see that glow already? And here on the top. Basically you have to add it on all the high points of your face, तो आपका face एकदम define कर लेता है ये. Actually this is an eyeshadow brush, so yeah, यहाँ पे हो गया ना. Same goes यहाँ पे. Yes, I like it like that, like a illuminating goddess. Okay, so we're done with adding color back to our face, and now we go to our eyes in the last. Again, you guys, I have this eyeshadow palette from K Beauty in the shade Bare Soul. Now they have really nice colors in this, like nice brown neutral shades in this. So what I do is, you have to get just brush cleaned. You pack का एक instant brush cleaner आता है. You can use something like that. Now what I'll do is, I'll take a tissue and take off all the excess product. जैसे यहाँ पे आ रहा है, आपको दिखाई नहीं दे रहा होगा, but it's okay. Rub it here so that all the excess product comes off in this, so that there is no shade in it. And what I like to do is, I like to take this two shades, tan and chocolate. I like mixing these two shades, ऊपर नीचे. Okay. Tap off excess. And I like to go around here in my crease area. And I like going in with some halka sa shimmer on the center of my lids. Very little, okay? I don't want like too much happening today. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, that is all that I want to achieve today. Again, same for the next other eye. Tap off excess and look at the dimension here and here. So there's like a lot of difference here. Now okay, and now I'll go in with some champagne here and some champagne, sorry, some glitter, and just do my center of the eye. Okay, you guys, this is what my eye makeup looks like for now. I'll just add some highlight here. Last but not the least is, I'm using this lipstick from Nykaa. I'm using this lipstick from Nykaa, which is in their liquid matte to last liquid lipstick in the shade Chai. I really love this nude brown shade, perfect for like dusky skin tone. I'm in love with my makeup, you guys. I'll get ready, I'll do my hair, wear jewelry and do my final outfit, and then I'll show you. But so far this is how it looks like. Guys, I'm ready. एक तो ये neck piece है, this one, and the second one I'll show you. ये मुझे इतना मतलब अच्छा तो लग रहा है, but I'm not liking it too much. What I want to wear is this. I like this one more. Looks like as if I'm going for a party, but I'm nothing like that. आप लोग बताओ कौन सा वाला ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है? I feel like this one looks better. मैंने हल्का सा ब्लो ड्राई कर लिया है बाल, एंड साइड से हल्का सा आई एम जस्ट स्ट्रेटनिंग, दैट्स इट. एंड आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू डू माई टच अप. लिप्स पे से लिपस्टिक उतर के मैं खाना खाया था अभी. एंड आई विल सी यू गाइज. हाय यू गाइज, दिस इज व्हाट माय एंटायर लुक, फाइनल लुक looks like. So I'm wearing these golden earrings, I'm wearing this neck piece, I've removed the inner, and I'm wearing a denim jacket, and this is how my face looks like. Okay, yeah, so do let me know if you did like this look, and if you did like, don't forget to share as to what next you want to see on my channel. And yeah, look at the mess. Okay, so that's it for this video, you guys. If you did like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, share it with your friends and family. Bye.